Hello everyone, this is Kinjal Parmar. Today we will discuss comparator combinational digital circuit. So let's start. Comparator, the comparison of two numbers in an operation that determines whether one number is greater than, less than or equal to the other number. A magnitude comparator is a combinational circuit that compares two numbers A and B and determine their relative magnitude. That means after comparison, we have a output or says we have a three output greater than or less than or equal to. The outcome of the comparison is specified by three binary variables that indicate whether A greater than B, A equals to B or A less than B. Here we have a basic block diagram of n bit comparator. N bit, that means A have a n bits and B have a n bits, and after comparison of A and B bitwise we have a three possible output: A greater than B or A equals to B or A less than B. So let's discuss one by one bit comparator, 2-bit comparator and 4-bit comparator over here. First, 1-bit comparator. A 1-bit comparator compares two single bits. That means A has a 1 bit and B has a 1 bit. So total 2 bit. So this 2 bit have a total 4 combination. Here we have a truth table of this 1-bit comparator. We have a and B 1-bit value. So we have a total 4 possible combinations: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now let's compare A and B bitwise. We have a 0, 0. That means A and B both are 0. That means A equals to B. So A less than B equals to 0, A equal to B is equals to 1 and A greater than B is equals to 0, because our input conditions have a 2-bit same. So we have a output A equals to B, and this A less than B and A greater than B is equal to 0. Then next combination, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. That means A less than B. So we have a output for A less than B and A equal to B, A greater than B is equals to 0. Then next, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. That means A greater than B. So we have an output for A greater than B. So write A less than B equals to 0. A equal to B is equals to 0 and A greater than B is equals to 1. Then next, A and B both are 1. So we have again A equals to B. So A less than B is equals to 0. A equals to B is equals to 1 and A greater than B is equals to 0. So this is how we calculate a truth table for 1-bit comparator. Now let's identify the equation of y1, y2, y3 from K-map. So let's calculate first for y1. Here we have a K-map for y1. We have a 0, 1, 0, 0 for the combination of A, B. So for 0, 0, we have a 0. For 0, 1, we have a 1. For 1, 0, we have a 1, 1. So according to this, we have a y1 condition for only combination 0, 1. So we write this as a dash B, because A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1. And we have a output condition for this combination only. A is equals to 0, that means A dash, and B is equals to 1, so that means B. So we have an equation y1 is equals to A dash B dash. Here y1 correspond to A less than B condition. Then next y2. Here y2 have a two possible outputs for A and B equal to 0 and for A and B equal to 1. Here we have an equation for y2, A bar B bar plus A B. Then let's calculate for y3. We have an equation over here for y3. here we make a map for AB for 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we have output 0. For 1, 0, we have a output 1. Here for A and B is equals to 1, 0, we have a output 1. So here we have a equation y3 is equals to AB dash. So we have a equation here y1 is equals to A dash B, y2 is equals to A dash B dash plus AB, y3 is equals to AB dash. Here y2 is equals to A dash B dash plus AB, which is equivalent to x naught function A x naught B. So here we can implement this one bit comparator using these equations. So here we have a logical diagram. For y1 we have a dash B. For y2 we have a dash B dash plus AB, which can be implemented using x NOR gate. Then third we have an equation for y3, which is equals to A B dash. So this is how we can calculate one bit comparator, and we can design this one bit comparator from this logical equation. Now let's discuss about 2-bit comparator. A 2-bit comparator compares two binary numbers, each of 2 bits, and produce their relation such as one number is equal or greater than or less than the other. The first number A is designated as A is equals to A1, A0, and the second number is designated as B is equals to B1, B0. This comparator produces three output as A greater than B, A equals to B, and A less than B. Here we have a 2-bit numbers A, so A is equals to A1, A0, and B is equals to B1, B0. To determine A is greater or less than B, inspect the relative magnitudes of the pairs of the significant digits. That means from A1 and B1, starting from the most significant position. So here first we compare A1 and B1. If we have an idea about A1 greater than B1 or A1 less than B1, then we can easily produced output for A greater than B or A less than B. But if we have a A1 is equals to B1, so we have to compare next bit A0 and B0. And again for A0, B0, if we have a output condition like A0 less than B0, so we can make a output for A less than B. If A0 greater than B0, so we have a output A greater than B. But if A0 is equals to B0, that means over here A1 is equals to B1 and A0 and B0 also are same. So we can deduce the expression as A equals to B. So this is how we can calculate for 2-bit comparators. So this is how we compare 2 bits number. Now let's make a truth table for this A1, A0, B1, B0. Here we have our inputs A1, A0 for A number and B1, B0 for B number. So here we have a total 16 possible combination. So how we can produce this truth table? So let's start with comparison of A1, B1. If A1, B1 are same, then next go with A0, B0 comparison. So here let's compare first A1, B1. So here we have a 0, 0. So A1 and B1 both are same. So compare A0, B0. So A0, B0 both again are 0 over here. So ultimately A1, B1 is equals to 0. A0, B0 is equals to 0. That means A equals to B. So here A greater than B is equals to 0, A equals to B is equals to 1 and A less than B is equals to 0. Then for next possible combination 0, 0, 0, 1. So first compare A1, B1. So here we have a 0, 0 over here. Then next if A1 and B1 both are same, so compare A0, B0. So for the combination of A0, B0, we have a A0 is equals to 0 and B0 is equals to 1. That means A less than B. So here A greater than B is equals to 0, A equals to B is equals to 0, and A less than B is equals to 1. So this is how we compare first A1, B1. If A1 and B1 are same, then go with A0, B0. And from A0, B0, if we have any output combinations greater than B, less than B, so right. And if A0, B0 again both are same, so we can write A equals to B. Now consider this combination. A1 is equals to 1, A0 is equals to 0, B1 is equals to 0 and B0 is equals to 0. So after comparison of A1, B1, A1 is equals to 1, B1 is equals to 0. So we have A greater than B directly from the first comparison. So this is how whenever A1 and B1 greater or less, so we can easily write for A greater than B or A less than B. But if A1 and B1 are same, so then compare next bit. So this is how we can make a truth table for this possible 16 possible combination. Now let's make a K-map for 3 output. First for A greater than B. So here we have a 4 variable K-map for A1, A0, B1, B0 and this K-map is designed for A greater than B. So we have a logical equation over here for A greater than B. Here we make a group. So and according to this group we have a equation of A0 B1 dash B0 dash plus A1 B1 dash plus A1 A0 B0 dash. So here we have an equation for A greater than B. Then for A equals to B, we have a K map and this can be represented as a A1 dash A0 dash B1 dash B0 dash plus A1 dash A0 B1 dash B0 A1 A0 B1 B0 plus A1 A0 dash B1 B0 dash. So basically this is the equation of X NOR of A0 X NOR B0 and A1 X NOR B1. Then next we have a K-map for A less than B. So here we have a groups and according to this group we have a simplified logical function A1 dash B1 plus A0 dash B1 B0 plus A1 dash A0 dash B0. So this 3 equation can be implemented using logical gates and we have a logical diagram for 2-bit comparator for A greater than B, A less than B and A equals to B. So this is how we can implement 2-bit comparator from given logical equation into this logical diagram. Now let's discuss about 4-bit comparator. Consider two numbers A and B with 4 digits each. So here A is equals to A3, A2, A1, A0, 4 bits and B is equals to B3, B2, B1, B0. Now here how this 4-bit comparator works. So first compare A3, B3. If we have a condition A3 greater than B3 or A3 less than B3, so we can write A greater than B or A less than B. But if A3 and B3 are equal, then next compare A2 and B2. And for A2, B2, if A2 greater than B2, that means A greater than B. If A2 less than B2, that means A less than B. But if A2 and B2 both are 1, so then next compare A1, B1. And again for A1, B1, if A1 greater than B1, so A greater than B. If A1 less than B1, so A less than B. But if A1 equals to B1, then next compare A0, B0. For A0, B0, if we have a A0 greater than B0, that means A greater than B. If A0 less than B0, that means A less than B. But if A0 and B0 are equal, so ultimately we have a equal to B. So this is how 4-bit comparator works. The two numbers are equal if all pairs of significant digits are equal. That means A3 is equals to B3, A2 is equals to B2, A1 is equals to B1 and A0 is equals to B0. When the numbers are binary, the digits are either 1 or 0 and the equality of each pair of bits can be expressed logically with an exclusive NOR function as xi is equals to aibi plus ai dash bi dash. Here for I is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we have this logical term for A3, B3, A2, B2, A1, B1, A0, B0, then we can write logical expression for this A equal to B as x3, x2, x1, x0. So basically here we write as a A3 x nor B3, A2 x nor B2, A1 x nor B1, A0 x nor B0 for A equals to B in terms of x3, x2, x1, x0, where this xi is equals to aibi plus ai dash bi dash, which is equivalent to ai x nor bi. So here we have a equation for a equals to b for 4-bit comparison. Now let's identify the equation for a greater than b and a less than b. To determine A is greater or less than B, inspect the relative magnitudes of a pairs of a significant digits starting from the most significant position, that means starting from A3, B3. If two digits of a pair are equal, compare next lower significant pairs of the digit. The comparison continues until pair of unequal digit is reached. If the corresponding digits of A is 1 and that of B is 0, so we have A greater than B. If the corresponding digits of A is 0 and that of B is 1, then A less than B. The sequential comparison can be expressed by the two Boolean function. Here we have an equation for A greater than B and A less than B, as we can't make a K-map and truth table for this combination, as we have A is equals to 4-bit and B is equals to 4-bit. So we have a total 8-bit as an input, and for 8-bit we have a 2 raised to 8. That means total 256 combinations. So we can't make K-map and truth table for 256 combinations. So here we can express this logical function by this 2-bit and 1-bit comparator. Here we have an equation for A greater than B is equals to A3 B3 dash plus x3 A2 B2 dash plus x3 x2 A1 B1 dash plus x3 x2 x1 A0 B0 dash. Then for A less than B, we have a A3 dash B3 plus x3 A2 dash B2 plus x3 x2 A1 dash B1 plus x3 x2 x1 A0 dash B0 dash. For A greater than B, if B is 0 and A is 1, so we have a condition A greater than B for any possible bits combination. So here for A greater than B, we have a B3 dash, B2 dash, B1 dash and B0 dash in equation. And for A less than B, A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1. So here in equation A3 dash, A2 dash, A1 dash, A0 dash is that. So using this equation, we can make a logical diagram of 4-bit comparator, which is quite complex, but we can draw logical diagram from logical equations one by one. Here we have a output A less than B, A greater than B and A equals to B, which can be implemented from previous equations using various logical gates. So here we have a diagram for 4-bit comparator. So in this session, we discussed about a comparator logical circuit. Thank you.